Ecuadorian corn and purple potato salad. A side dish from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Scrub the potatoes and pierce each ones with a fork. Arrange in a circle in a microwave oven. Turning each potato over about midway through cooking, microwave on high 7 to 8 minutes, or until potatoes yield slightly when squeezed. Place the corn and peas in a 4-cup glass measure stand. Cover with vented plastic wrap and microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the peas turn bright green. Stir in the carrots, celery and pineapples. Step 3. Let cool to serve. Lukewarm. Arrange the lettuce on half the Ecuadorian dressing. Peel and slice the potatoes, then arrange in a circle at the outer edges of the lettuce. Place the corn mixture in the center of the lettuce. Sprinkle with the eggs and cilantro. Drizzle the potatoes with the remaining dressing. Shake together the oil, lime juice, pineapple juice, chili powder, salt and pepper. Mix well, set aside. Use as directed above. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.